Hi, and welcome to the Canvas Crash Course. In this video, we are going to go over the dashboard and what you can do to effectively use it as a student here at PLNU. When you first log into Canvas, you will see your courses in a card view. The card view is the default view here at PLNU because for most students it's easiest to understand. You can click into your courses, and you also have this to-do list on the right-hand side. The to-do list shows upcoming due dates for assignments and quizzes within your courses. It is best practice to use the to-do list more as a reminder as opposed to a schedule. This is because major content in your courses may not show up here. It is best practice to use the calendar and modules to navigate your courses. If you have any questions on those, please refer to the videos for navigating modules and using the calendar in the Canvas Crash Course. Now, we can go over different view features such as the list view. We can go up here and click these little three dots and navigate to list view. List view combines both the card view and the to-do list into one thing. As you can see, I can see my courses as well as accompanying events, much like the to-do list. This is a good way to keep track of your courses. However, most people tend to use the card view. There's also the recent activity view, and I'd say that is probably the least helpful for you as a student. Most students here at PLNU find that the card view tends to be the best way for them to learn. It is up to you as a student to decide whether the card view or the list view is best suited for you. However, be sure to both use modules and the calendar to interact with your courses. This will make sure you are up to date and are completing your course content on time. If you have questions on how to use the calendar or how to use modules, please refer to either those two guides or videos in the Canvas Crash Course. Thank you.